If you still don't know how to install mini braid by yourself, this video is for you. On today's video, I will share with you a tutorial guideline on how you can install mini braid by yourself, and also some important things you need to do before install your mini braid to save some time and also some stress. And also I will unlock the secret that nobody talk about, things that you need to know before getting your mini braid done by yourself. So if you want to know all that, if you want to know how to install this mini braid, and also if you want to know the secrets, let's dive into today's video.
Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain all of a sudden.
Hi beautiful family, welcome and welcome back to my channel. The first thing you need to do before getting your mini braid done to save some stress to you and also to save some time is prepping your head ahead the day of your braid. Like example, if you want to braid your hair like tomorrow, you can prep your hair a day before or 2 days before your braiding day. This way it will help you a whole lot to save some stress. So the step on prepping your hair is washing your hair, moisturizing your hair, and also stretching out your hair. Stretching out your hair, you can use heat like blow dryer, or you can use African threading method, or you can braid your hair. Braiding your hair can also help you to stretch out your hair. Stretching out your hair will help you a whole lot, especially if you're a beginner. Do not joke on stretching out your hair before you start braiding your hair. It will save you a lot of time and also a lot of stress, which means I will still talk about that as we progress on this video. These are the tools I'll be making use of while braiding my hair. My white tooth comb for combing my hair and my right tooth comb for parting my hair. I also make use of oil. I did not show you that now, but later on I'll still show you that I make use of oil. So in total I use 3 products in this my braiding method. So I go off camera to part my hair. This is another second point out I need to point out, because parting your hair will help you a whole lot. Depend on how thickness and how voluminous your hair is. You can part your hair 4 session, 6 session, or 5 session, but all I know is very important to part your hair. Guys, it will help you to save a whole lot of time, especially if you're a beginner. It will help you not to burn out quick. Okay, it will encourage you a lot, because once you finish your first session of your parting hair, you will get more encouragement and you get more zim to continue making that hair. Okay, so parting your hair is something that you don't need to skip, okay, while making your hair, because it will help you a whole lot. I know what I'm talking about. Okay, so as you can see, I went off camera to braid the back of my hair first before I come back to start braiding my hair. Guys, before I jump into another tips that you need to do before you braid your hair, I need to point out this particular thing that nobody's talking about, this secret that nobody is telling us about installing mini braid on your hair by yourself is the time consumer. Nobody tell us that braiding your hair can consume this longer time. Guys, this is so serious. Braiding your hair will take you a whole day. Install your mini braid by yourself. Mine took me close to 8 hours. Okay, so if your hair is longer than my own, or if your hair is fuller than mine, bear in mind that it will take you 8 hours or 9 hours or even 10 hours. It depends how faster you are, and also it depends how break time you took. I took only once break when I took my meal. That's the only time I took break. It still take me 8 hours to install this mini braid. Guys, that is so serious. So just do it up your mind that braiding your hair is a full day job for you. Yes. And second thing, nobody tell us that your hand will pain you so much. Yes, braiding your hair, your hand will pain you so much. Okay, so those are the secrets nobody tell us about installing mini braid by yourself. Okay, and also I still have more tips to tell you guys as this video progress. So this is my first time installing mini braid on my hair. Yes, I'm a mini twins lover and also I'm a cornrow lover, okay? But I have heard so much good things about mini braid, so I choose to give it a try. Finger crossed. I hope that I will get the good result they are talking about mini braid, and also I will keep you guys updates. If I have any positive results or any negative results, I will let you guys know, okay? And also I have in mind to carry this mini braid 8 weeks or 9 weeks or 10 weeks. Finger crossed, at least 8 weeks, okay? If my strength can carry me up to 9 weeks or 10 weeks, you guys will still know about it, okay?
Today, I promise that I've never felt this way.
So another thing I need to point out as a beginner while installing mini braid on your hair, do not worry about your pattern. Please don't worry about your pattern. It's not compulsory your pattern must be super clean. Those people you saw their pattern always super clean like professional pattern, they started like this, okay? Their pattern is not clean when they started, but as they progress, as they practice every time doing their hair by themselves, they always improve in their pattern and also in making their hair. So everything is practice, okay? If you not give it a try, you can never be a professional. So do not mind about your pattern. Like mine, as you can see, my pattern is not that super clean because I'm also a beginner. But when I started doing my hair by myself, my pattern is not even clean like this, okay? But now I can see I'm progressing because I consistent making my hair by myself, okay? So don't worry about your pattern. Only thing you need to worry is how to make the hair perfectly well, okay? A clean pattern can come later as you progress making your hair by yourself. You improve in a different arrow of making your hair by yourself. So as you can see, I'm using the right tooth comb to part the section I want to work with. After parting the section, I will now use my hand to start parting the section I want to braid. I hope you're understanding me. I'll use my hand to divide the hair to collect the section I'm working with. That way it will be very easy for me to work with, okay? So these are the reason why I said you should stretch out your hair before you start braiding your hair, because it will help you to save some stress and also time wasted. Secondly, it will help to lessen breakage on your hair. You know that our hair is 4C hair. 4C hair love to matter together, and while you are trying to separate them, it can cause breakage, okay? So but straightening out the hair lessen the stress of dragging the hair and also lessen the stress of breaking off your hair. So in that way, combing the hair and braiding the hair will be very easy for you. Total, it will help you to save your stress and also save you some time, making this your braiding more faster than maybe as mine took me 8 hours in stretch out because my hair is stretched out. And if my hair is not stretched out, maybe it will take me more than this 8 hours. So if you want me to make a video on making my hair without stretch out, let's see how long it will take, and also let's see how stressful it will be. Let me know, okay? So once I take this particular protective hairstyle down, I will make another one without stretching out my hair. I hope you're understanding me. So those are the reasons why I say you should stretch out your hair before you start installing your hair in mini braid, okay? So another thing I want to point out before you install your mini braid, make sure you are not braiding it to the tip of your hair. That will help you for take down process, because braiding it to the tip of your hair would make the take down to be very difficult. But if you can twist the tip of the hair, once you get to the tip of the hair, you twist it, it will help you for take down process, okay? I hope you're understanding me, okay? It's because this mini braid, as they say it help for length retention, but if you braid it to the tip of the hair, I think you may not get that length retention. So I don't really know, but I think that twisting the tip of the hair will help the take down very easier than braiding it to the tip, okay? And when it's easier for you to take down, I think the length retention will be more real than when you braid to the tip of the hair. I hope you're understanding me.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to.
If you don't know how to braid your hair, if you don't know how to do mini braid, you don't need to worry about that, okay? You don't need to be scared of that. It's very easy to install, okay? Just follow the way I do in this video, or there's a lot of videos on how to do mini braid on this YouTube streets, okay? Just go and watch 1 or 2 video. You will learn how to do it, okay? But believe me, it's very easy to follow. It's very easy to do. Only the problem you may be having is to grabbing the roots. If you cannot grab the roots very well, don't give up. Continue making. Before you can finish the full head of your hair, believe me, you will get more perfect, okay? You will get more perfect than when you start making the hair, okay? Just don't worry, because the good part of it, making your hair by yourself, is only you that can take care of your hair. It's only you that can love your hair. It's only you that can know how to handle your hair without you breaking your hair, because you are the one that wearing the shoe. You know where the shoe is paining you. But if you have a good salon that can take care of your hair without breaking your hair, you can go ahead and meet a salon. But if you don't have, like mine, I don't have a good salon that can properly take care of my hair, so I just need to learn how to make my hair by myself, okay, without me worried about it. Because this mini braid, mini twins, they are very good protective hairstyle. You need to learn how to do, so that you can get that length retention, so that you can see that growth on your hair, okay? So this is a close capture on how you can make your own mini braid by yourself, okay? It's not that hard, it's not that difficult, but practice make more perfect. Just practice it and you get hand of it, okay? So another thing I would advise you, if you don't have wig, just go and buy wig, okay? Because it will help you a whole lot. When your hair is getting older, at least it can be flexing wig on your hair, and also while you still carrying your protective hairstyle and your hair is still driving. Because long time protective hairstyle, that is when it can get more length retention. That's when it can get more faster growth, okay? So keeping your hair from 4 weeks, 5 weeks, 6 weeks, 7 weeks is a game changer for you, okay? So what will help you to push your protective hairstyle that long period of time is wig, okay? It can get any wig, but I would advise you, while getting wig, do not get wig that come with gum. Just get wig that not come with gum, okay? It will help you a whole lot.
But I've known you too long. It hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Guys, at this moment I'm super happy. As you can see, I'm coming to an end of this braid. It's not easy, honestly. At this moment, to be honest with you, I'm super tired. Voila, my hair is done. I have made the full head of my hair. It's not easy, guys. I'm feeling myself at this moment. It's not an easy task. Yes, so it's not an easy task. I think I did a good job to my own strength, okay? Yeah, but I believe that if I install this mini braid again, it will be more clear, it will be more beautiful than this, okay? But at this moment, I'm very happy that I can do this. This is my first time doing mini braid on my hair, and if it's mini twins, it will be very full. That's one thing I love about mini twins. Mini twins look so fuller, so fluffy, and so bouncing, but mini braid will not give you that vibes of bouncing, fullness, and fluffy. Yes, but it is what it is, okay? We are just trying a way to retain more length and also to grow our hair. So what I'm just doing there, I'm just trying to style my hair, okay? Just to feel myself. It's not easy, guys. It's not easy. So So guys, I hope you find this video very helpful. Please, if you have not subscribed up to this point, please do well to match that subscribe button, and once you subscribe, please do well to turn on your post notification bell to all, so that YouTube notify you whenever I drop amazing videos like this, okay? And also, please, if you have not liked this video up to this point, please help me to click on that like button. It helps the growth of the channel and also encourage me a lot to bring out more great content for you guys. Lastly, please share this video for people that are looking for a way to install mini braid by themselves, for beginners like us, okay? So guys, I come to end of today's video. If there's anything you want me to talk, if there's anything you want us to discuss about this mini braid of a 10, please let me know in comment section below. And also, please, I have a question. I would like you guys to answer me, please. If you're a mini braid lover, please let me know in comment section below, and let me know why you love mini braid, okay? And also, if you're a mini twins lover, please let me know in comment section below, and also let me know why you love mini twins. And also, if you're a cornrow lover, let me know in comment section, and also let me know why you love cornrows, okay? So guys, I've come to end of today's video. I love you guys so much, but God love you more. See you guys on my next video. Remember, bless out there. Bye.